It's just a game. When you want to create something and you're pushing yourself to do something, it's like never happen. If you just leave everything free, you can create the best things without thinking, without having any rules, or just do whatever came first in your mind.
Pictures are really like organic.
My pictures, yeah. Somehow it became like that. I'm just following the lines, and you know, when you're playing with the lines, it's always more interesting. The results. It's like, you know. So funny, this one. I don't like the ice here. It's better without ice. It's stronger like that. I had the feeling when I was in the school to record myself when I'm drawing, because I'm usually destroying my pictures so many times to decide the end of the picture. But I never did that. I don't know why. It's like maybe too what can I say? I think no confidence. I like the people that they can record themselves with a camera without feeling, you know, that it's good to not have the fear of the length.
How do you know when a picture is finished?
I think no one knows when the picture is finished. It's the most difficult part for someone that draw to decide when something is finished. It's like sometimes it's just finish something because you don't have anything else to put in this picture. And sometimes the picture is good, or some other times the picture is like you feel that something missing. But most of the time I don't know if something is finished or not. I'm just turning the page like that, and if I have something else to do in this picture, I'm going to draw it. If it's not, it's like I think, oh, maybe I'm going back to see what I've done. See, oh, this is the, and then you decide.